My name is Nick VANDREY. I'm the head of data at a startup called FUNDERBEAM that's based in Estonia. And we're a fundraising platform that's introduced liquidity to startup investment using a secondary market powered by blockchain. So there's three components to our platform. First, we have a data intelligence platform, which is what I'm responsible for, where we've collected information on startups and investors all across the globe. And we collect this information from publicly available sources such as social media, news, filings, places like this. We clean it all up and aggregate it, and then we use machine learning and statistical analysis to draw out additional insights to provide investors with quality information to power their investment decisions. So for example, we can map out competitive landscapes based on the data that we collect so that you can see who are our startups' competitors when they're raising on our platform. Then we have the fundraising platform, which doesn't act too different from a traditional fundraising platform. Usually they raise either equity or they raise a convertible, but we've also had bonds and funds raised on the platform before as well. And the way we've introduced the liquid secondary market is when somebody backs a company on our platform, they're issued digital tokens, which are just colored coin technology that have embedded in them the data about what company raised funds, what were the terms of the deal, what's the underlying asset, is it equity, is it a bond, is it a convertible note, and what rights does it hold? And then since these colored coins can be embedded on top of the Bitcoin block exchange, we can trade them as well and record those transactions on the blockchain where they can be verified and recorded. At the moment, no, we don't actually use cryptocurrencies as a way to fund companies, but we issue these digital tokens which are embedded on top of Bitcoins. So we don't actually conduct any transactions with the cryptocurrencies themselves. And when a company raises, it's usually in fiat currency, so most of the time it's in euro, but we've also had in pounds as well. And that really depends on the company that's raising. And then when you back the company, you're issued a digital token or tokens proportional to the amount that you contributed overall. So the investors who invest more in the company receive more tokens, the people who invest smaller amounts receive fewer tokens. And generally these tokens are issued at a beginning price of €1 per token, and then they can trade them, and the price fluctuates based on the market. So it can rise in price, it can lower in price. But if a company raises multiple times, then we issue the tokens so that they'll have the same pro rata share.